Facebook page too. Okay?
Now, fellas, listen. Whatever you guys do, don't break your nozzle.
Ooh.
You're gonna need that, man.
Yeah, they're gonna do that. You know, we don't want to have to say nozzle talk. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Now, the next thing you want to do, you're gonna put your left hand up and just. This is wax on. Alright? And he's waxing and nozzling at the same time. Ooh.
Alright, Daniel, son.
Then you put your right hand up and you just swish it around just like this. That's wax off. Yeah. But the first thing you want to do is get the excess dirt off the car. And those of you who are taking videos, you can post those on our Facebook page, Red Alert Band Fans. Red Alert Band Fans. And like us on Facebook. Now, Mr. Terrell, we're going to count this off. Okay? Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I see you, Linda. Come on up here. You might not ever get rich, but let me tell you, it's better than giving a ditch. There ain't no telling who you might see. A movie star, or maybe even a Indian children at the car wash. Working at the car wash, yeah. Come on, y'all, and sing it with me. Car wash. You can sing it with feeling at the car wash, yeah. Come some of the work is kinda hard. This ain't no place to be if you don't want to be inside. Let me tell you, it's always cool. And the boss don't mind sometimes if you act a fool. Working at the car wash. Working at the car wash, yeah. Come on, y'all, and sing it with me. Car wash. You can sing it with me. Working at the car wash, yeah. Work and work. Well, those cars never seem to stop coming. Work and work. Those wagon machines coming. Work and work. All your fingers to the bone. You probably can't wait till it's time to go home. Freestyle. Hey, it's your car wash day. Well, I bet you don't have to pay. Come on and give us a play. Get a wash right away at the car wash. So get down the car wash at the car wash, yeah. Come on, y'all, and sing it with me. Car wash. You can sing it with me, y'all. Car wash, yeah. Car wash. Working at the car wash, yeah. Come on, y'all, and sing it with me. Car wash. Yeah. Working at the car wash, yeah. All right. Now that the car is all clean, we're going to take you for a ride. Let's take a ride. And since it's your last day, Kate, it's all about the money. That's right. That's what the password is. When I say, why must I live this way, you say, must be the money.
Must be the money.
There you go. Can you say must be the money?
Must be the money.
Can you say must be the money?
Must be the money.
Can you say must be the money?
Must be the money.
Can you say must be the money?
Must be the money.
I like it.